Hey everyone, welcome to the second day of the semester. Thank you for your excellent work yesterday. I got the note from Mrs. Jungling about how yesterday went, and she commended you on your focus, she commended you on your excellent discussion, she commended you on your note-taking, and I cannot tell you how proud it makes me when I hear how well you do when I'm not there, because that's really the true judge of your character. So thank you for that, and I look forward to more great notes today and tomorrow. So today what you're going to do is kind of an extension of what you began yesterday. You're going to look at two videos. One is called What Makes a Great TED Talk. And so in this one, it's actually a TED Talk put together by June Cohen. Here's June Cohen. And she is the executive producer of TED Media. So I figure if TED is telling us what makes a good TED Talk, perhaps we should listen. I got to warn you, this woman talks fast, but she will give you very specific points about what makes a great talk. So for example, one of her first points is tell us something new, and she'll talk about that. So what I want you to do is take very careful notes while you're listening to her, and then discuss those specific points about what makes a great TED Talk, and then think about how you can take your own research or your own passion or your own idea that you're mulling over for your own speech, for your own TED Talk, and how can you take what June Cohen says in this video and use it to make your own excellent speech. Second thing you're going to do after you watch that video with June Cohen, take notes over it and discuss it, is you're going to review some rhetoric and rhetorical analysis. Cool thing about this video is that it is actually an analysis of an Obama speech. It was his Bin Laden speech, but the person who recorded, not recorded, but created this video for you actually has subtitles pointing out key elements of his use of persuasive speech. So what I'm going to ask Mrs. Jungling to do is, as it goes through this speech and these little subtitles pop up on the bottom, I would like for Ms. Jungling to pause the video and then, brief discussion over what's happening here, even though it's very self-explanatory, but just to make sure that you can take some good notes and discuss what elements of this, again, perhaps you can take to make your own effective presentation. Because one thing we can definitely say about our president is that he is an excellent speaker. I mean, not only has a great speechwriter, but he has very good speech giving skills himself. So I want you to look at this speech by Obama about the Bin Laden situation and pay attention to those rhetorical devices that he uses in that. So again, taking notes over that, taking notes, and always the question, how can I apply this to my own speech? There you go. That's what I want you looking at for today. And again, you get this done, no homework, and that should pretty much take the time because the one by Cohen is 14, the one by Obama is 10. So by the time you watch those, get some great discussion and some great notes going. I think that'll take you to the end of the day. And then tomorrow, be thinking about what books you want to check out, because remember that we know we've talked about the ACT and ACT reading test. Studies have shown that for every 500 pages of text you read that challenges your reading ability, that will raise your ACT reading score 1 point, and that's for sure what we want to do this semester. So tomorrow, be thinking about those books that we read first semester and the recommendations that you all had for each other, and think about what books you'll be checking out downstairs tomorrow. That's what I have for you. As always, shoot me an email if you have any questions, because even if I'm not there for you, I'm always here for you. I will see you soon.